And to sum up now what we know about this particular plane, this TransAsia aircraft was destined for Makung, but it had been scheduled to leave the Kaohsiung at 4 p.m., but it was delayed nearly 2 hours because of poor weather down there. When it arrived in Makung, the aircraft, the pilot was reportedly asked to wait until about 7 p.m. before being allowed to land. After failing his first attempt, the pilot requested a second try, but shortly afterward, the control tower lost contact with that airplane. The aircraft reportedly smashed into the ground in the town of Hoshi, causing a fire that affected at least 2 homes. Online pictures have shown heavily damaged homes and wreckage from the plane, while other web posts have said that the blaze was so strong it could not be extinguished by the rain. There was no immediate information about what caused the crash or the full number of all the casualties there, but there was some reports that there are injuries and, of course, possible deaths, as we've been reporting. 8 people were taken to the Tri-Service General Hospital in Makung. The pilot has been identified by media outlets as the 60-year-old Li Ya-ling. There are reports that the accident might have been linked to the typhoon Makung, which passed over Taiwan earlier today. It brought heavy winds and rain. Makung Airport was closed after this accident. The Chinese language Apple Daily newspaper wrote that over the past 13 years, TransAsia Airways has had 8 accidents. That's 8 accidents over 13 years, including 6 with this same model of aircraft that crashed there today.